So, in the name of Almighty Allah, I am Tawsif Iqbal, and today we will discuss about general science. So, first of all, the process by which air flows from one location in atmosphere to another location is called convection. Next one is heat of sun reach the earth by radiation, and percentage of water in an apple is 84%, and percentage of water in tomato is 94%. Permissible noise level at residential area during nighttime is 45 decibel. dB stand for decibel. Its unit of sound or noise intensity. The radiant energy having lowest energy is radio wave, and who enunciated the law of planetary motion. So that was John Kepler. John Kepler presented the laws of planetary motion. Potassium metabisulfite is used as a food preservative for fruit juices. So, in fruit juices, potassium metabisulfite is used as a preservative. Axiology is basically a psychological study of values and morality and principles. So, which metal is non toxic in nature? So, that is gold. And the floral part that produces pollen grains is called anther. And the structure in a cell which contains the genes is called chromosome. So, humans having 46 chromosomes. And Frederick Sanger is a twice recipient of the Nobel Prize for their contribution in chemistry. So he got Nobel Prize first time in 1958 and second time in 1980. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improving his health because the ultraviolet rays convert skin oils into vitamin D. So sunbath is very beneficial for all living organisms, but specifically for humans. Galileo was an Italian astronomer who developed telescope, and father of optics is the title given to Ibn al-Haytham. And saffron is obtained from which part of the plant? So that is obtained from stigma. And what is the number of non-crystalline phases of water? So total crystalline phases of water is 18. And which one of the following cloud is found at the highest level in the atmosphere? So that is cirrus. And the most important function of perspiration is regulation of body temperature. And who was the first to measure the Earth's circumference? So Eratosthenes was the first person who measured the Earth's circumference. And the term white coal sometimes referred to which of the following? So hydroelectricity is also called white coal. And the light rays that is used for elimination of all pathogens, but specifically bacteria. So ultraviolet radiations are used to wipe out bacteria. and mercury cause biomagnification problem in the ecosystem. And next one is the microbes used in baking industry is yeast. So yeast are used in baking industry, and the process in which seed grows into a new plant is called germination. The quantity of matter present in an object is called mass, and unit of force is Newton. And gamma rays having greatest similarity with X rays. So X rays and gamma rays having somewhat similarity. And boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. And the main cause of air pollution is burning of fossil fuel. Seed coat is also called Tesla, and which vegetable is also a flower. So broccoli is flower as well as a fruit. And cotyledons are important because they store food. They help in storage of food. And hepatitis and polio is caused by virus. And first antibiotic was extracted from fungus, and penicillin was the first antibiotic. And in an MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine, which one of the following is used? So magnetic waves are used in MRI machine. An electrostatic precipitator is used to control air pollution. And Lambert laws is related to illumination. And the atmospheric air is held to the earth by gravity. And which type of reaction produces the most harmful radiation? So fission reaction produces the most lethal harmful radiation. And the period of revolution of geostationary satellites is 24 hours. And the scientist who first sent electromagnetic waves to distant places is Thomas Alva Edison. And pluviometer is used to measure rainfall, and our transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. And how many kgs are in 1 ton? So the total kg in 1 ton is equal to 907 kg. And heat transfer horizontally within the atmosphere is called advection. So the image basically shows a horizontal smog advection. And the intensity of gravitational field of Earth is maximum at poles. So at North Pole and at South Pole. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't mind subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.